G'day, my name's David and I'm from IdeasMan, and today I'm going to be talking about inspiring one-page websites that allow you to profile your business on any device. Now I won't go too much into why, but yesterday you can watch my video Mobile Friendly Websites and how they can be used for your business. But I will go into what they are. The areas I'll cover are parallax, the sections of a one-page website, and other fancy components. So firstly, parallax. Parallax is where you have different images at different levels moving at different speed, and it gives a really good effect as it goes through. So at the moment you see the back image doesn't move at all, and then after a while different images move at different speeds. Now you can still see all the relevant information on the website as you go through, but it gives a really nice effect as it scrolls. The next area I'll talk about are page sections, and here are a bunch of sections all put together, but I'll go through them one at a time. So firstly, with any responsive website, you'll usually have a starting area which is your full screen slider, or it may be a video as well. The next will be an About Us section. Now not all websites will have the same sections, but generally you have access to about your company or about your people, the services that you offer. You may have a portfolio of products or services that you want to demonstrate to people. You may have a pricing chart on your main web page, an ability for people to contact you, and an ability for people to locate you. Now all of this shows up whether it's a desktop like we're seeing or on a mobile phone or a tablet. Now let's talk about some of the fancy components, and the first one we'll talk about is the slider control. So you're currently looking at IdeasMan at the moment, and it's just the home page of our site allows people to see marketing messages and nice images. Now there is a site below it, but that's what they see when they first start. More advanced than the slider control is to start off with a full page video on the main page when people come through. Now as you can see with this site, people can still scroll down to the rest of the site, but there's always a video playing. The next area I'll talk about is the portfolio. Now this is a portfolio that as you hover, people can see information about what they're looking at, but even better, people can filter down to what they want to see. And when this clicks, no matter what sort of device you're running, it'll all resize to fill the space of the phone or the desktop as we're seeing. Then there's social sharing buttons, which all websites should have these days. You can see that if you have team members on board, each of them should have their own social media sharing button. Now with this one, the scroll happens down the right until you go through a new section, and as you go to a new section then the left moves. So we're on the About, we can move down to the portfolio, or we can come up here and we can click through this way. Now I'll show you a bunch of examples of really top quality responsive parallax websites that you can have for yourself. So here are three that have all been shrunk down to about the size of a mobile phone, and you can see they just all work quite naturally. We've got one over here on the right which plays with a video on startup. Otherwise it's very similar to the one on the left. And then we've got this one that I demonstrated earlier but shrunk down to a smaller size, and everything just works quite well. Then we've got garden. Nice slider control to showcase your business from the home page, the ability to just seamlessly flow through to areas on the website. Now we've got magic, and this one too plays as a video, so we'll just let that kick off there, and we can go through to the galleries. In fact, this has a really nice sort of control, which I didn't demonstrate earlier. And as you click on the images, they just expand out like that. We can go back, open up a different area of images. And then we've got something more suited to selling applications. And now here we've got a similar control on both sides When you see it expanded, you've got a normal menu. When you see it small, there's the menu here. So we can go and look at the same area. We'll look at pricing here, we'll look at pricing here. They're similar themes, just with different colours. And the same thing again here. This is a red and blue of exactly the same theme. And we can scroll through, we'll go to the videos, go through to the videos. So you can see as I scroll through, the parallax works, everything resizes to the device, and the same thing happens over here. Hey, I'm David, I'm from Ideas Man, and you can contact me at Facebook 99 Tech Guru.